So in this video, you'll learn how to use the Sony WH-CH720N headphones wired. Now you may have noticed when you went through the unboxing process of these particular headphones, you were given a cable that allows you to connect your headphones with wires. So this is the jack that's going to enter the port of your phone, and this is where you're going to plug into your headphones. So the first step is to just plug them in. Now for this, your headphones don't necessarily need to be turned on as they're not going to be using Bluetooth. So you can just plug it in like that and then go ahead and grab your phone. Ensure that it has the 3.5 millimeter port and then just plug it in to the port. So it should look something similar to this. Now, once they've been connected properly, you then want to just navigate to the audio that you want to listen to using the headphones. So let's just go ahead and select a YouTube video. Then when you select, you should be able to hear audio coming out from your headphones so that you can be able to listen to it. And so that is how you can use the Sony WH-CH720 headphones wired. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions that you'd like answered about these particular set of headphones, feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave some comments down below for any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.